Knowing your body enables you to take better care of your body, understanding it more. Well, today, I'd like to talk a little bit about the shoulder joint, okay? One of these. Well, actually, we've got two of them, okay? So what exactly are we looking at here? So to orient you, this is a right shoulder joint, and if we were looking at it, okay, it would be positioned just about like this. So this piece right here is your clavicle or your collarbone, okay? There's the shoulder joint. This is your upper arm called your humerus. I know doesn't sound too funny, but it actually is your humerus. And we also then have your rotator cuff, right? What is the rotator cuff? Well, it's actually a combination of four muscles and their associated tendons, right? Tendons attach muscles to bone. Ligaments, by contrast, attach bone to bone. Okay, so there's four muscle groups and their tendons that make up the rotator cuff. You have your supraspinatus, okay, you have your infraspinatus, you have your teres minor, and if we turn the scapula around and look at the back side of it, okay, we have your subscapularis. So those four muscle groups make up the rotator cuff. And you've probably, maybe you yourself have had an injury to your shoulder and maybe have told, hey, you've got a partial tear of your rotator cuff. Maybe one of those tendons that are associated with one of those four muscles. And it can be pretty debilitating. The thing about the shoulder joint is that makes it unique is it has the greatest range of motion, as we talked about, of any joint in the body. That's the good news. The bad news is it has the greatest range of motion of any joint in the body, right? So it's more prone to injury than a lot of the other joints we have in the body. So we have to take better care of it. One of the best ways that we can care for the shoulder and help to avoid injury is obviously to be careful in the activities we participate in, but it also is important to stretch that shoulder joint and to stretch the associated muscles that go with it. That way we can maintain our level of flexibility, and anytime we have more flexibility, we always will decrease the chance of injury. Again, taking care of this body, it's the only one we're going to get, so it makes sense to take good care of it.